Hello, everyone. Thank you for being here. I know if you are here already, that means you are looking to know how to create consistent characters for your videos using Leonardo AI. I know everything goes from creating generating the visuals, like the pictures first, and then animating them later. But in this video, we are going to be focusing into how to create consistent characters, the pictures for now. And in another video, I will show you how to animate those pictures using other AI free tools. So yes, now here, the first thing that we are going to do is to use ChatGPT to help us, give us some suggestions and so on and so forth. So the first thing we're going to do, we are going to write this prompt into ChatGPT. So if you have never used ChatGPT is a chatbot that helped you throughout everything. You just need to type a prompt, and then ChatGPT is going to, do everything else, right? So here is yes, if you want to go into the website, you just have to type chatgpt.com, and then it is going to direct you to the web page. Then you just have to, to sign in using your email, and that's it. And if you want to have more features, if you want ChatGPT to generate videos and photos, you could upgrade and pay for, like, you could look for a paid plan. But for us, it's just going to be like, so the basics. So it doesn't require you to pay in order to have certain services, right? So yeah, you can see I usually use ChatGPT to do a lot of things, and it's so helpful. So yeah, once you sign into ChatGPT, you are just going to come here into the text box, and then you can use this prompt if you want. I will try to display the prompt on the screen, or to zoom in here so that you can see clearly the prompt. And you could also use it and then adjust it to the way that you want it to be, right? Yeah, so we want ChatGPT to help us generate a prompt for a consistent male character, 10-year-old, with the following structures. Now, to keep consistency when creating a character, we want to have a name, we want to have the age, the gender, hairstyle, the face description, the outfit, such as the top, bottom, the footwear, and then of course there will be a background description and action. Now, yes, we can generate, and here is what ChatGPT is suggesting us, right? Now you can see ChatGPT has given us this, a name, age, gender, hairstyle, face description, outfit. And for the outfit, we have the top, the bottom, the footwear, all with a description. And this is going to be really important for us when generating the visuals. We have also a background description, we have the action. Now, what we're going to do is to kind of copy this, and then you could use whatever text editor that you want. Here, I will be just using, yes, I will be using Google Docs. And yeah, here we are just going to paste what ChatGPT has given us, right? This is what they gave us. But now, what I suggest you to do is to kind of ask ChatGPT, because all these are going to be the same in everything. Like, unless you want to change, for example, you want to change the hairstyle at some point, but the age, the gender, the name is going to be the same. Sometimes you could just adjust the outfit, such as the top, the color, all those things. But like here, for me, I would be just like using the same for all of these, and then the only thing that I'm going to change for different scenes is going to be the background description and then the action. So for that, I want to ask ChatGPT to give me the same, but for the background description and the action, I want it to give me like, some variations, such as like three type of background descriptions and three actions that we going to use when generating the images. So that's why we are just going to um, ask ChatGPT this. We just going to say, hey, ChatGPT, rewrite the same thing, but for background description and actions, add three variations for each, right? So when we do this, here ChatGPT is going to rewrite the same, but give us d- different backgrounds and also different actions that we could use for, you know, moving forward. Yeah, so you can see it is still the same, right? Like those are the same, but like for the background, we have three variations. So we have this bustling schoolyard. We have this quiet countryside path. We have rainy city streets, right? And for actions, playground adventure, countryside exploration, rainy day dash. So we have all these. And now what we're going to do is kind of like to rearrange everything, right? And edit it in our Google Docs. So yeah, let's edit it. Now, when I'm done editing, I will show you the final edit that I have. And I will have three variations. Yeah, and I will show you the final output. Now you can see I have edited everything just to take out all these titles. So yeah, I have rewritten everything. And here we have it here. And then for the background, we can go into ChatGPT and take the first background variation and then the first background variation and the corresponding action variation, right? And then we will come back every time we want to generate a new picture, we are going to take the corresponding background and the corresponding action, right? Now for the first one, here we have this. And now that we have the description of our character and the background description and the action the character is doing, we are going to head into Leonardo AI. So if you haven't heard of Leonardo AI, Leonardo AI is an AI tool that is used to generate pictures, and even even if you want to animate a picture, that's also a possibility within motion. But for today, we are just going to be only using the image creation one, right? Here you can see examples of other people, like what other people have done using Leonardo AI. You can see it's really beautiful here. A lot of people are doing a lot of good work here. Look at these. It's really exciting and people are so creative. Now you can see like people have created it already. If you want to reuse the same prompt that another person have used, you can definitely do that. You could even use this model. You could click on the model and then reuse the same prompt to have the same output, right? And all the information, the settings are here. You can use it the way you want, right? Yes, so that was it. Now what we are going to do is to click on the image creation, and it will take us here. Now let me remove this. Yes, so now that you are here, if you want, you could definitely subscribe to upgrade to another plan, to a plan that you want. But you don't have to if you are not going to be using it for other things such as the motion feature, or like when it comes to upscaling your images and all that. If you just want to generate pictures, it's going to be fine. They will give you all the credits you need daily to generate tons of pictures, right? So yes, now for our character, what we are going to do, we're going to head into the settings. Here we are going to use this one, Phoenix 1.0. Feel free to test all the other models, but we are using the Phoenix 1.0, right? And then next, what we are going to do, the prompt enhance, you let it to auto, that's fine. And now here style, we are going to choose the 3D render, and contrast is going to be medium, generation mode to fast. And here I think you are probably here because you have a YouTube channel or something. Yeah, and for YouTube, the ratio is going to be 16:9, but feel free to choose whatever best match what your expectations are, right? And here the number of image generation, you could, if you are subscribing to Leonardo, you can change it to 1 2 3 or whatever. But if you are on a free plan, there will be four, but that's fine because you will have 5 or 4 different pictures, and then you will choose whatever picture you feel like it must describe your character. Yes, so that's it. We will be using the advanced settings, but like for now, let's just go and copy our first prompt, and then we come back here. We are going to paste. We are going to paste it here, and then you could just arrange it the way you want. Yes, and now that we have pasted our first prompt, we can click generate and then wait for the output. And now, before, yes, we can wait until the picture comes out. Now, they sometimes they just put these, the image might be explicit. Yeah, but you just click on it if you want to use it. Now you can see here, here is the pictures. Wow, this is really cool. Look at these. The details and everything is so cool. Look, the background is like, it's stunning beautiful. Like, wow, I can't believe like AI is just doing really fine and it is going to keep improving. So please don't miss out like the use of AI. AI is just a tool that we can use in our daily lives to improve and to just make it even faster, whatever we are doing, right? So don't miss out the opportunity to use AI. Now you can see we have four different pictures and they all look the same. Look at this, like they all look the same. And now, go moving forward, if we want all the other pictures that we're going to generate to kind of like be the same as this, then we have to use this feature. You just click on these three dots and then you copy the seed. The seed is a number associated to this picture that you can use so that all the coming pictures is going to, to inherit the features that this picture has. So we copy, and then in the advanced settings here, you just come here, use fixed seed, and then you enable it, and then you paste here the number you copied. And now that you have it, let's go ahead and use the other, go to ChatGPT. Now that we have used our background, the first background description, and the action that correspond to that. Now let's use the second background description. We copy the description back here. Instead of using this playground is filled, we change that one to this new background description, right? And then this is the action that we are also going to change. Now the action that we're going to choose is the second action variation, because we have already used this action for the first picture. Now we just going to copy this second action, and then we are going to to replace this one by this second action. And all we're going to do is to generate again and then wait for our pictures to be ready, and you will see that they are going to be similar to this one. Yes. A boom. Look at this. Look at this. These are the first pictures that we generated, and then look at for the second picture. You can see definitely that it is similar to this one. You can see like the face, the expression, the facial expression and features, the hair, maybe a little bit different like when it comes to the top, but like it's pretty much the same, because look at this, it's so cool, right? And if you are not satisfied with this, you could definitely regenerate and see where it takes you. But I feel like this is if you are creating a character, I feel like no one is going to notice any change here from this character to this one. So it is really cool. Now let's head and to our next background. um, we are going now to use the third background description. We copy the background description, come here and change this to our new background description, and we also change these actions by just going here and copy the background the action description that correspond to that background description, and come here and just change this action to the new one, and we click on generate. And here we are, we just wait for it to generate our picture, and that's it, right? So, and for every other, like you keep just doing the same for all the pictures that you want. Like here you can see the third variation. Look at, it's the same picture, like it's the same character wearing, like maybe you see, like it's so similar, everything is the same. The background has changed to the way we want it, the actions he's doing changed to the way we want it to be. It's so cool, right? You can choose whatever you want. You just, this first, you choose the one you want. For example, you could choose this one. If you choose this one, you can just like click on this icon and then download the image. You could choose this one for the next action, and then you choose whatever you want and then download them. And right, after this, you are going to be probably heading into giving these images motions and animations, but we are not going to do it in this video. In this video, I just wanted to tell you, to show you how to generate consistent characters using Leonardo AI. So you are going to keep doing the same, you just adjust here. All this is going to be like the same every time, because this is describing like our character features and all that, clothes, eyes, hair, and everything. And now everything that you go into, like the variables are the background description, but also the action. So you could change this the way you want it. But if also you want like your character to have maybe like a red hoodie, like you could just do it, right? A red hoodie and yellow stripes. You could change whatever you want and adjust it the way you want. You could just click on generate and then wait for it, and you will see the colors will change according to the way you want it to be, right? So let's just wait for this picture to generate, and then you will see like how this all looks. Yeah, look at this. Now we have a red hoodie, and look, we have the yellow stripes. Look at this, and it's still the same character but with different colors, and even the actions he is doing, you can change it to be something else, right? So just every time, just review your prompt. You could change the age, you could change male to female, you could change the hair color, like whatever you want, you could just change it. And if you want, you could use ChatGPT to help you throughout the whole process. You just have to kind of give it a prompt and then tell it what to do, and it's going to help you. Consider ChatGPT to be like a colleague, just someone that you go into work with, that understand things better than you, and someone that just have more structures, and it has access to a lot of data and a lot of informations, and it can just go ahead and then search about it and then give you exactly what you want. Now, another alternative to ChatGPT is now, as you know, DeepSeek that just came out the market, and it's really cool. Like, let's just try it. I just wanted to show you this so that you know you have another alternative, and this one also is really way cheaper than ChatGPT. If you want to have access to other features, it's way cheaper, right? And it's new, and it's also really fast. Just to show you, let's just type the same prompt as we used first when we tried with ChatGPT, to say, hey, generate a prompt for a consistent male character 10 years old with the following structures: character name, and so on. Let's just see how DeepSeek is going to handle this. And look, it's so um, um right, it's fast. Hey, what a world we are right now. This is so cool. Look, and it has given us Liam Carter. This is a name suggestion. It has given us the age, the gender, the hairstyle, the face description, the outfit, top, bottom, footwear, the exact way ChatGPT has done it, right? This is so cool. And you have all these tools that you can use and do whatever you want. Create content like for free, something that is not going to take you a lot of time to do. So yes, this was me just going through everything and showing you how to go from asking suggestions from ChatGPT to using Leonardo AI and generate beautiful pictures that you can use and animate and use for your movies and shorts or whatever you want to create, right? This is so cool, and you can see I have been using it for other, right? Look at this. This is a character, like the same character doing different things, right? This is just cool. And yeah, that was it.